Auntie Sandra, and today we are going to continue to learn to identify the different sounds that we hear in words. Let's begin. What are the sounds you hear in big? B-I-G. What are the sounds you hear in dig? D-I-G. What are the sounds you hear in fig? F-I-G. What are the sounds you hear in gig? G-I-G. What are the sounds you hear in jig? J-I-G. What are the sounds you hear in pig? P-I-G. What are the sounds you hear in rig? R-I-G. What are the sounds you hear in wig? W-I-G. What are the sounds you hear in bin? B-I-N. What are the sounds you hear in fin? F-I-N. What are the sounds you hear in pin? P-I-N. What are the sounds you hear in sin? S-I-N. What are the sounds you hear in tin? T-I-N. What are the sounds you hear in vin? V-I-N. What are the sounds you hear in win? W-I-N. What are the sounds you hear in bit? B-I-T. Good job, children. What are the sounds you hear in fit? F-I-T. What are the sounds you hear in hit? H-I-T. What are the sounds you hear in lit? L-I-T. What are the sounds you hear in knit? N-I-T. Good job. What are the sounds you hear in pit? P-I-T. What are the sounds you hear in sit? S-I-T. Good job. What are the sounds you hear in dip? D-I-P. What are the sounds you hear in hip? H-I-P. What are the sounds you hear in lip? L-I-P. What are the sounds you hear in nip? N-I-P. What are the sounds you hear in rip? R-I-P. What are the sounds you hear in sip? S-I-P. What are the sounds you hear in tip? T-I-P. What are the sounds you hear in zip? Z-I-P. Wow, give yourselves a big round of applause. You're doing great. All I need you to do now is to keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.